Man, I hope you do.
I got a rookie though.
Oh, you did? Okay, good. We got picked off and all that stuff after his first game.
Oh yeah.
And we had like nothing. We had no cards. Crazy.
His National Treasure jersey auto is selling for over $1,000.
That's insane, dude.
I know.
That's insane.
I wouldn't pay that.
That clinic you put on last night, though. Wow. Good stuff, man. Enjoy. How we doing over here? Okay.
I think so.
Spent the money I made on my
Okay, so you want all those?
I hit current.
Okay. Yeah, you're good. Okay, so we got that. It's coming now. Yeah.
What's in this?
What? That'll take care of you there.
What?
I believe there's a Lynn. There's a Lynn rookie.
That's the one to get.
How easy it is?
Yeah, right now. There's a wall redemption, but see how lucky I get today. Oh, that's good. Wow, Chris Bosh auto.
Nice.
I hate him, but 78 to 99.
Very nice.
That's a really nice Miami Heat autograph.
It's
a pretty nice autograph right there.
All right.
Good hit. Good hit.
Also, our business guy has our website.
Side.
And exactly what you have
Chris
here,
Baby Bosh. Guy who cried.
So you're looking for any particular year or any particular player.
I do not like Chris
Year
Bosh.
you want, let's say 2010 tops. You bring up
I am a
all of
Heaney
them.
rookie to 250.
Okay.
What's that?
That's 95. Let's see.
If you guys need anything there, just let us know, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Take a couple of minutes.
When you get your total, do it right around $10.
So you got it. Stephen Curry, just regular insert.
Go see Mama.
That's a thick pack right here.
You can look at whatever you like.
Pop it, pop it.
Those are really, really good.
Oh,
That means
it's just a decoy. Nice Panini, just decoys.
but you look. Go ahead.
All you pack searchers, don't do it.
Okay.
$205 a pack.
Well, yes, that gets saved.
Nice.
I was watching that video of Kobe opening packs with the Panini CEO, and he asked Kobe if he could pop the pack.
Couldn't do it.
No, he could.
Everything's coming back to you.
Jingling.
Shit. All you have to do is click on the left-hand side, there's a little check. Come up here, bud.
There's 18 packs per box, 8 per pack in this one.
Which makes it a lot easier.
Right, we got Dan Issel and David Thompson.
You know what?
Sorry.
You know what? Hang on one second. Steve is right behind you. Steve,
No, just send them to email.
This is thick too. Their jersey, Kobe Bryant patch auto, or
Is that in here?
yeah, it is. There's also Drew Holiday autos in here, so
you just send an email over here and we'll email it
doesn't
right
look
back
like it though. We got a Kevin Love insert. That's number 38 at 250.
I
Yeah,
think
get that signed.
like it better.
Yeah. Kevin Love's a dick.
Once you're used to it. And it's just a bit of a learning curve, that's all.
Already have his autos here, so
Right, sir?
let's hope we don't get shorted a hit. Got a rookie auto. Oh, that's beautiful. 432, 699, the ugliest auto ever. Larry Sanders. I like this product at least because they are on-card autos, and that might be it for our autos.
Blocks up on the other side of the street, I think. And
Pretty sure. I think you only get 2 autos and then you get 2 jerseys, but sometimes I'm wrong. So let's hope I'm wrong.
No, he hasn't been in Burbank for at least 7, 8 years. For a store. And then I know you opened a shop briefly up in like summer.
Bosh's all right though.
One time I see him now as a card.
It's only like a $35 card though.
And I think he
I'll
tried.
hold on to it if they're really doing the playoffs.
I think he does. It's the only time I ever seen him. There you go.
Fifth pack right here.
Go ahead.
Okay, I have your cards over here. Whenever you're ready,
Might have to get another one.
It's a fun place, isn't it?
keep doing it.
Kobe.
He has your cards.
Oh, and Kobe.
But we are very super.
$20 right there.
I'll show you when you got it.
I'm popping this.
That's a card if you want to.
Got a Chris Bosh autograph.
Oh, okay.
Sit there.
Miami Heat. We keep the last 2 years boxes and packs out here.
Josh Smith to 250 and a
We got
Greg Griffin.
33.6 million cards in the back. The newest baseball is on that showcase, and followed by these two
Packs left,
showcases.
4 packs.
These 3 showcases over here.
Spent this with my own money.
And the last 2 showcases, football cards there. And these two
This
showcases.
is
And basically, if you don't have a box open, you want that, we'll open a new box for you. So.
Not looking good for me.
And of course, some of these are only packs. Like this is only packs. So it looks like a
$9.99.
box, but it's only one pack.
Byron Scott.
So $421 a box.
Oh, some of them are. Some of them are a lot more for one pack. Well, we have over here.
I'm popping this one.
We have over here. That's a box. The national treasures over here is one pack for $595.
Hopefully we have a jersey. Nope. Alright, this is a Drew Holiday base, but getting kind of scared here, guys.
And we have,
We got 2 packs left. We need 2 hits, so. Oh, this is on camera, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, we're gonna have to send this to Panini because we are missing a hit.
Those are the inexpensive little
Unless I missed an auto, I'll go back there, but
early 90s and when mom and dad shop because we get
Guaranteed 4 hits?
yeah. Okay, I'll get you some packs.
here's a jersey,
Some
Al
of
Harrington,
them and you wouldn't want to
191 of 199.
get hungry to get sick.
So it's alright, but as you can see, show it. We got 3 hits. We'll go back here right now.
One of those,
See if we missed
or 2 of those. Yep.
This sucks. I've never had a box that had missing hits. No.
$7. I'll get you one of those, or one of those that I talked about, or 2 of these.
No.
No. 2 of those is the same as 1 of those.
No.
Same thing. You get 1 of those or 2 of those.
Looks like we got shorted a hit.
Or you can get 1 of these. Oh no, that's $9.
Yep.
What brand you looking for?
Don't think there's an auto in here. Alright. So, looks like we're shorting a hit. But for the things we did get, got a Bosch auto to 99. Larry Sanders, 699. He's alright. He's still on the team, which is crazy. And then I got Al Harrington, who's playing pretty well. So, that's about it. Peace.